What's good, YouTube family? Apparently, the state is also charging Straightdroppp and Cornelius for putting the life of Marcus Thornton in danger. If y'all don't know who Marcus Thornton is, well, that's Dolph's little brother. You feel me? Little brother was security that day with the yapper and toking that thing pause and busting back allegedly towards Justin Johnson, aka Straightdroppp, and the homie Cornelius Smith. But let's get back to some brazy things in the right way, the trill way. Hit that links in the description box, notification bell, and let's get it rocking and shaking, gang.
Jack before it's bold. I can't make this up, I ain't that good when I'm in the studio. I just took a dub to Jonathan to take these out, go and get some more. Up again, ain't no way that we can lose. I done stepped on so many niggas, need my own shoe. You see me in that all black, know what I'm finna do.
Ladies and gentlemen, salute to the squad, salute to the gang. Things is still remaining the same. Now, y'all know already Dolph's brother done been through the grapevines of this, and he's already shaking, and meaning like hurt, meaning that you was right there when they took your bruh from you. You was right there, but he did try to do something about it. You could see the sincerity in the way he was busting back allegedly. You know what I mean? But a court case went on, and you guys know the judge spoke to the two perps, Cornelius Smith, aka and Mr. Straightdroppp, Justin Johnson.
Rapper Young Dolph, they were back in court this morning. Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith were both arraigned on murder charges. Fox 13's Jamie Pierre breaks down what's next for the suspects who still haven't hired attorneys.
Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith in criminal court this morning, neither of them with a lawyer by their side. However, they did tell Judge Lee Coffey that they plan to hire on a lawyer within the next 1 or 2 weeks. Who's helping them get that lawyer? They told the judge, basically their families. Now, Judge Lee Coffey, he gave them the time needed to hire on those lawyers. We did ask the Shelby County District Attorney, Assistant District Attorney Paul Hagerman, how strong this case is against these two, Justin Johnson and Cornelius Smith. Take a listen to what he told us.
Our judges here try to get people attorneys fast. They don't want them just sitting in jail. Now, these defendants have a right to hire an attorney, of their choosing. Sometimes it can take a defendant up to a month to do that. This judge wants to make sure these defendants have an attorney, sooner rather than later.
Johnson and Smith are accused of killing Memphis rapper Young Dolph in November outside of Makita's homemade butter cookies on Airways Boulevard. They face several charges, including first-degree murder and theft. Shelby County Assistant District Attorney Paul Hagerman is leading the prosecution. He told me the evidence in this case against Johnson and Smith is strong.
We wouldn't be here without strong evidence against them. We're confident, and y'all saw the video from November 17th when the two people shot and murdered Dolph. We got the two people in court today.
Members of Young Dolph's family attended today's hearing but declined to make any comment to reporters. Smith and Johnson both declined public defenders. Judge Coffey giving the two 9 days to hire an attorney and report back to court. If both are still without an attorney, one will be appointed next Friday.
Memphis wants some closure to this thing, and the family, and we do too.
At 201 Poplar, Jeremy Pierre, Fox 13 News.
Now, what you see here is a typical situation, you feel me? The back and forths. It's normal to see this already. Now, they're basically saying they got strong evidence on Cornelius Smith, and they got strong evidence on, you feel me, Justin Johnson, which is all by now Straightdroppp. Now, the thing is, Young Dolph's brother was a target, they're saying. You feel me? Outside that Makita's homemade butter cookies on Airways Boulevard, you can clearly see the two men on the video, in the video, whatever I should say. When they were busting, they literally put the security, which was the brother of Young Dolph, in the way of danger as well, according to the magistrate, aka judge. So they're gonna be charged with that as well. And if you looked at the video files, And what I was saying, Dolph brother, who was the rapper when he was killed, is the victim in the attempted murder count. You see what I'm saying? He's the victim in the attempted murder count. They gonna come with all they can come towards these two. Now, what they're saying is the Shelby County District Attorney General Office said that Straightdroppp and Cornelius were each indicted on various counts in connections with the murder of the Memphis rapper. You know what I mean? So they got a lot on deck already for that. They're saying that also the property and theft of over 10,000. You feel me? It's gonna be a lot to get out of this situation. I ain't gonna hold y'all on that. It's gonna take a lot for people to understand this ain't gonna be nothing that's just smooth and easy like that.
Yeah, that boy caught right there. Damn. Damn, look at Dolph. Right here on Airways and Ketchum. Look, he gonna try to block the view. Garbage ass.
As you can see, it was a lot going on that sad November 17 when Dolph died. Now, Straightdroppp says his family has an attorney lined up and ready for him. The same thing as Cornelius Smith, who said it as well. Family gonna look out for them. Now, how true that is, I don't know. Who's backing them behind the scenes? Whoever allegedly it is, they ain't gonna put their names or income, financial status with that situation. That's a burden you don't want. The whole Straightdroppp situation is a narrow, closed situation. It's how you're looking at it. The proportionate situation has transpired out of control already, with the subjects of a lot of rumors to spell with it, and just a lot coming with it. To make one incline, who really did pay these folks? You took a father away from a family, a husband from a wife. I know that was his girlfriend, but they were gonna get married, so I'm gonna say husband and wife. You took a legacy out of a city that desperately needs it. You know what I mean? It's one of them things I can't, for the grace of God, understand what will make someone get in a mindset to have hate in their heart, or even seeking an opportunity to take advantage of a moment to get a come up, or whatever it may be, or if it's chasing clout, you know, to put anybody through a situation like that and taking them away from their legacy and what they were meant to be. It's a travesty within his own self. Now, are these two men the guilty two people we seen on the video? You know, that's gonna be the hard part. Look at these clippings from the videos, these two men here. Now, the smaller one, we can say look like Cornelius, and the bigger one look like Straightdroppp. But when you look at the pics, it's really hard to tell. I ain't gonna lie. I look at them pictures several times, and it's hard to really say who's who. Now, if the state is saying they got strong evidence, then you gotta take them for what they say. But I done seen in Florida, certain states done said that and not really have it at all. Now, Marcus Thornton, to be the subject of this, is also cool because he needs some type of closure. This ain't gonna be closure for him. I don't think he never gonna recover, but it's satisfying to somebody to know my life is cared for too. And you know, it's also gonna be extra murder charges, attempted murder charges, that is, on my life as well. I mean, it should be on the Macadia's employees as well, but that's another story all in the mix. Look, y'all do me a favor and y'all go hit that like button. Go hit that notification bell. Come rock out with your boy DJ Bless One. Make sure you hit that notification bell. You write in the comment sections and be one with the smoke gang. Salute to all of y'all. This whole thing is sad, man. Long live the truth, which is young Dolph. Long live Dolph forever. Rest in peace to man on the real side.